Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to add payment methods on Calendly. So this is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to start charging for your one-off meetings or event types. How do you actually go ahead and add a payment method to Calendly? So be sure to stick around, guys. This video is going to be short, sweet, and to the point. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but the first thing that we're going to do is hop into our Calendly account. And then on the left-hand side, you want to click on integrations and apps. Once you open this up here, you're going to see a variety of different integrations apps. So you're going to see Stripe over here and you see PayPal. Keep in mind that Calendly is going to require you to upgrade your subscription if you do plan on collecting payments before a meeting. So notice how when I click on PayPal, you can see that I can connect with PayPal, but I need a standard Calendly subscription and I also need a PayPal business account. If I go ahead and try to connect on Stripe, the same thing applies. You'll need a standard Calendly subscription and you'll also need a Stripe account that supports live charges. So that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and add a payment method to Calendly. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.